Text2AC is a text-based framework for game-ready 2D agent character creation spanning appearance generation and core feature synthesis. It maps text descriptions to prompts, generates appearance images from prompts, and performs segmentation and skeletal binding to obtain drivable game assets. Web-based interface allows users to describe character appearance in natural language. System generates character illustration and drivable agent character AC from description. Users can input personality, background, skills which integrate seamlessly into the AC. User descriptions map to outlines synthesized from library. Stable diffusion generates bodies/hairstyles conforming to proportions. LoRa stabilizes style and posture. Characters segmented into body parts, bound to skeleton in spine for smooth deformation. Different clothing types use unified meshes for automated binding of diverse styles. Text2Role generates game characters driven as agents, with appearance and skeletal animation. A universal template and library enables seamless creation across platforms, spanning appearance generation and core feature synthesis. Text and image-to-image produces consistent touchy illustrations with different artistic styles. Users praise the efficient workflow and character diversity, reporting an enjoyable experience. Text2AC introduces new possibilities for enhanced game interactions and virtual assistants.